Am I wrong for not giving my sister her wedding dress because she didn't invite my son? I, 40 male, have a sister, 30 female, who's getting married in a week. The groom proposed to her a year ago at a family dinner that left everyone speechless, but we're all really happy for them because they've been together for a really long time. Okay, so during the dinner, my sister asked my son to make her wedding dress. He's always loved to design, and he's even taken fashion and sewing classes. Tons of his friends keep asking for his clothes because they're all so beautiful. He ended up agreeing on making the dress, but said that he'll need plenty of time and he'll constantly need her opinion. At first, my sister was very annoying. My son drew about 50 dress designs in a month and she only liked one. So obviously that's the design that she chose. He sewed the dress with this amazing quality fabric paid for by me. For 5 months, he worked his butt off trying to make this dress exactly what she wanted. And it seemed like she was always complaining about something. After quite some time, he finally finished the dress and it was absolutely beautiful. My mother cried seeing my sister in the dress, and I confess that I almost got emotional too. The problem was that last week my son came to ask me why his name wasn't on the wedding invitation when everyone else was. I thought maybe it was an accident, but it still felt really weird. I texted my sister asking about the invitation, and she said that she doesn't want any minors at her wedding. I asked if she was going to make an exception for my son, but she cut me off and said no. There are no children in our family. My son is the only minor. So I didn't see any sense in this rule for family members. And to make matters even worse, my poor son was so sad that he cried in his room because he spent months on this dress. And he couldn't even go to the wedding. I was really upset and told my sister that she should look for another dress as soon as possible, because I would absolutely not let her wear the one that my son made for her. She called and yelled at me saying that I was being unreasonable and that I couldn't do this. My mother called and said that I should just give my sister the dress as promised. But I didn't, and I hung up on her. Because of this, the family is now divided. Many agree with me and condemn my sister's actions, saying that she could have made just this one exception. But another part says that I'm being unreasonable and that I'm ruining her wedding. But I don't think I did anything wrong. I mean, it's really about the principle, and I think my sister deserves to get a taste of her own medicine. If he can't come to the wedding, then she can't wear the dress. Period.